Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: your Apple ID email, password, and a working internet connection. Once done, open Settings on your iPhone or System Settings on your Mac and tap Sign into the device. If you're on a computer without a sign device, go to FaceID. Apple. And select Sign In. Make sure a trusted phone number is available for verification. Having that ready speeds the process and prevents delays, so start the sign-in flow now. You'll enter your Apple ID and password next. Type carefully or paste from a secure manager. Once submitted, Apple often requires two-factor authentication. Either approve the pop-up on a trusted Apple device or enter the SMS code sent to your trusted number. Sometimes a 6-digit device code appears on the screen. Copy that into the sign-in window on the new device. Make sure to follow on-screen instructions to trust the device. Doing so keeps you. After successful verification, accept any prompts to enable iCloud, App Store, and biometric authentication like Face ID or Touch ID to streamline future logins. Once signed in, open the App Store or iCloud settings to confirm syncing starts and your purchases or backups appear. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is checking time and date accuracy and network connectivity, then request a new verification code. If codes still fail, use account recovery or reset your password. That single troubleshooting step often resolves blocked sign-ins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.